Want spotless LVP floors? Watch how Square Scrub makes deep cleaning fast and easy. Luxury Vinyl Plank, or LVP, is a durable, attractive flooring option, but keeping it truly clean requires more than just a mop. Buildup can form in the textured floor surface, and using a mop just doesn't cut it. That's where Square Scrub comes in. Using our Doodle scrub, or pivot, paired with the blue tile and grout pad, you can deep clean textured surfaces and remove embedded dirt without harsh chemicals or damage. Our blue tile and grout pad is designed to penetrate the textured surface of LVP, lifting soils that traditional methods leave behind. To attach the blue tile and grout pad, remove the driver pad from your machine and press the pad firmly against the grip face, or place the machine on top of the pad. Just add water or a pH-neutral cleaner, then let the Square Scrub do the work. Its orbital motion safely agitates the surface, delivering powerful results without risk to your flooring. Notice the difference: brighter, cleaner, and more hygienic, perfect for schools, hospitals, retail, and office spaces. From carpet to concrete, we've got you covered.